Good morning, students. Welcome to English composition class. Today we are going to start with notice writing. Students, kindly note down all these points and the given examples in your notebook. Now let's understand the meaning of notice writing. What is a notice? See, notice is a formal means of communication. Means if you want to inform someone formally, you have to write it on a piece of paper and write the information whatever you want to inform. Next is the purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Now, why is a notice written? See, in schools, if you want to inform a particular section, like primary section, so we have to write a notice for primary section only. Same way, if we have to announce some competition for higher secondary section, we write the notice for that section only. So it is for a specific group of people. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on the specific display boards either in schools, educational institutions, or in public places. Now, see, generally, schools, colleges, educational institutions, or many public places put on the notice on notice board to inform about something. Next point is notices issued by the government appear in newspapers. If government is going to announce about something and government wants to inform the people, it generally issues a notice in the newspapers. Moving on to next is contents of a notice. That means what should a notice contain? First, always write a notice in a box. This is very important that a notice is always written in a box. Next is name of the organization, institution or office issuing it. Always we have to write the name of the organization. That means school, college or any other institution which is issuing it, or if any office is issuing it. Next, date of issuing of a particular notice. Now, if I am issuing the notice today, I will write the current date. If I am going to issue it later on, then I will write the date of that particular day. Next is heading. Normally, notice NOTICE is written in capitals to make it very clear. A suitable description or eye catching heading to hold the immediate attention of the reader. Now, the heading should be very short and eye catchy. Next, the purpose for which it has been written, like calling a meeting, drawing attention, making an appeal, or informing general public about some issue of concern. Now see, always a notice is written with a purpose. So a notice may be for calling a meeting. Suppose we are calling a meeting of parents or teachers in this way. Now drawing attention. Many times a notice is written to draw attention, or if you want to inform about something. An appeal or informing general public. If you want to inform the general public, many times government issues such notices to inform general public about some important issues. Next, details of schedule. That is, always we have to write date, time, venue, program, duration, etc. Date when the event is going to be organized or any function is going to be organized. Time when it is to be organized. Venue means place where it is to be organized. Program, what kind of program it will be, and the duration, timings of that event, etc., have to be written in notice. Coming to rules, let's see. Box the notice, that is, always place the notice inside the box. Now, inside the box, in the very first line, write the name of the issuing authority. Leave a line and write the word notice, Notice. Again, leave a line after this, write the heading short and catchy. The heading should be written in a short and catchy way. Now see students, here I have put a note mentioning everything should be written in center in capital letters. That is all these three things. First one is name of issuing authority, second is notice, third is heading. All these three things should be written in center, should be placed in center and should be written in capital letters. After writing it, don't underline anything. You are not supposed to underline anything. Next point is leave a line and now fill in the date of issue on the left hand side. That is, current date should be written. The date when you are issuing notice should be written. After leaving a line below the heading on the left hand side, you have to write date. Here we are continuing with rules again. First is content should answer questions like what means what is the notice about? When is the event going to happen? Where is the event going to happen means the place. For whom? This event is organized for whom or the notice is issued for whom. The last date by which the response has to be sent. Sometimes dates are mentioned by which the response has to be sent, etc. After leaving a line, write the name. Now when you have finished with the content, leave a line and write the name. Here we will not write our name. We will always write XYZ. So you are not supposed to write your name. Now after writing XYZ, we will write the designation of the issuing authority. Means the notice is issued by whom? Maybe principal ma'am or vice principal ma'am, head girl, head boy, secretary general, any position or designation will be mentioned here after writing XYZ. Generally, it will be given in the question. Next is use passive voice. Means when you are writing the notice, always use passive voice or it is written in future tense. Next, the language should be impersonal and avoid using I and we. I and we, this kind of words are not used while writing a notice. It should be written in 50 to 60 words. Always be careful because notice is written in 50 to 60 words and always it is placed in a box. Students, now let's have a look into the format of notice writing. As per the rules, in the very first line, we will write the name of the issuing authority. Then we will leave a line and write the word notice. Again, after leaving a line, write the heading of the notice. Now see, we have written everything in capitals. Issuing authority, notice and the heading of the notice. Now below the heading of the notice, on the very left hand side, you will write date. Date will be the current date. Again, after leaving a line, write the body of the notice. That means content. You have to start writing the content. After finishing with the content, leave a line and write the name. Here we will write always XYZ, and below that in the next line we will write designation of the person issuing the notice. That means any head boy, head girl, or in charge is issuing the notice. Whosoever issues the notice, his designation will be written in the notice. Now there are many types of notice. We are going to start with the first one, which is notice about tours, fairs, exhibitions, tracks, or camps. Now when you are writing a notice about tours, fairs, exhibitions, treks, or camps, what you have to keep in mind? First, you will mention the name and nature of that tour, fair, exhibition, or camp. Next will be occasion, why it is organized. Then will be the venue, that means place. Next will be the objective, with what objective it is arranged, that is regarding information, awareness, appeal, or invitation, etc. Then will be the dates and timing. Next will be the expenditure or fees. Duration, from dash to dash date. That means number of days will be provided in this kind of notice. Next will be whom to contact. Then specific instructions, do's and don'ts. When we are going for tours or fairs, treks or camps, some instructions are given by authorities. Then will be things necessary to carry. When we are going for trekking, we will be asked for things which are necessary to carry with us. Now next kind of notice is about lost and found articles. Now in this kind of notice, what points you will keep in mind while writing? First, you will mention the article or item which is lost or found. Next, place where it was lost or found. Then will be the date when you lost it or found it. Then time when you lost or found it. Then details regarding the size, shape, color or material of that article. Next will be the contents, what was there in it. Then whom to contact, when and where. Then you will mention the reward. Now the third kind of notice is about function, event or notice. Now in this kind you will first mention the name, that is name of the function, event or notice. Then you will mention the date of function or event. Then time of the function or event. Then comes the place or venue where the function or event is being organized. Then whom to contact, and at last fees or charges if any. Now students, here are some solved examples which you are supposed to write in your notebook. These are for your practice. Now first I have taken the example of lost article. See, the question is, you lost your Titan watch in your school. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words to be placed on your school notice board. You are a student of class 10 modern school. Now we will start framing the notice. In the very first line, we will start writing the name of the issuing authority. Here in question itself, the name of the issuing authority is given, which is Modern School, Gandhidham. We will write Modern High School, Gandhidham in capitals and we will place it in center. Now leave a line and write the word notice in capitals. Again, leave a line and write the heading. Now the heading you will get from question itself. See, in question it is given you have lost your Titan wristwatch. So you can write lost wristwatch, or you can write lost Titan wristwatch. Now, after leaving a line on the left hand side, you will start writing with date. You will write current date. So here I have taken 6th June 2020. Again, after leaving a line, you will start writing the content. See, lost a black strap, white dial, Titan wristwatch in the school playground during lunch break. Here we have started with mentioning the details of the watch. It was white dial watch and had black strap, and it was of Titan company, which was lost in the playground during the lunch break. Now, anyone who finds it, please contact the undersigned in class 10th A. Here the owner is writing that anyone who finds it is supposed to contact him in class 10th A. Finder will be rewarded with a treat in the canteen. Now here the owner is mentioning the reward, that the one who finds it will be rewarded with a treat in canteen. Now after leaving a line, in the next line we will write name. Here we are not supposed to write name, so we are writing XYZ, and then the designation. See, here the student has lost the watch, so he will write class 10th A because he is the student of class 10th A. Here we finish this notice, and after writing it, we will place it in a box. We will draw the box around the whole notice. Moving on to next example, see the question now. Your school is organizing a quiz competition for high school. Draft a notice as a head boy or head girl informing the students about the same. Elaborate all the details as necessary. Now this notice is the notice for event, that is, here the event is competition, and it is drawn by, this notice is issued by head boy or head girl. In this notice we want to inform the students that a competition is being arranged, and we have to mention all the details too. So in the very first line we will write Modern High School Gandhidham. We will place it in center. Then again leave a line and write the word notice. Again leave a line and write the heading, that is quiz competition for high school. See children, we have written all these 3 lines in capitals. Then leave a line, and on the left hand side we will write the current date. Here I have taken 6th June 2020. Now after leaving a line, we will start writing the content. The school will be organizing a quiz competition. Students interested in participating may contact the undersigned. Here the undersigned will be head boy or head girl. There will be 3 rounds. The questions will encompass sports, science and literature. Now the questions will be asked from sports, science and literature, and there will be 3 rounds. The preliminary round will begin on 11th June 2020. That is, the first round will begin on 11th June 2020. The finalist will be getting a chance to participate in inter-school quiz competition at Ahmedabad next month. Here we have informed them that the finalist will be getting a chance to participate at Ahmedabad in the inter-school quiz competition, which is going to be organized in next month. We have finished the content. Now after leaving a line, on the left hand side we will write XYZ. We will not write any name. Then we will write the designation, that is head boy or head girl, I have taken head girl. You can write head boy or head girl accordingly. Now let's have a look at our next example, which is for tracking trip. So the question is, you are teacher in charge for sports activities of Modern High School. Draft a notice for the children for a 5 days trekking trip to Mount Abu in the summer holidays. Here in the very first line, we will write the name of the issuing authority, that is Modern High School Gandhidham, in capitals and place it in center. After leaving a line, we will write the word notice again in center and in capitals. Again leave a line and write the heading of the notice, which is 5 days trekking trip to Mount Abu in capitals. Leave a line and on the left hand side write the current date. Here I have taken 6th June 2020. Again leave a line and start writing the content. The school is organizing a 5-day trekking trip to Mount Abu from 20 to 25th June 2020. Here we are informing the students that the days are 5 and the dates are 20 to 25th June. The eligibility, that means who can go for the trekking trip. Eligibility is the students of class 8th to 12th. Next is, interested students may enroll with parents' permission by submitting check or draft of rupees 3000 in favor of the school before 15th June 2020. See students, we have given them that the last date for submitting the check or draft for trekking trip is 15th June 2020. Now after leaving a line, write the name. But we will not write the name, we will write XYZ, and below that we will write sports activity teacher, because this notice has been issued by sports activity teacher to inform the students about the trekking trip to Mount Abu. With this we finish our example. Now moving on to our next example, the question is, write a notice informing the students about donating in the form of grains, clothes, and money for the flood affected areas in Gujarat. Here we are making a notice to inform the students that you are supposed to donate in the form of grains, clothes, and money to help the people of flood affected areas in Gujarat. This is different kind of notice. Let's see. In the very first line, we will write Modern High School Gandhidham in capitals and it will be placed in center. Now after leaving a line, again we will write notice in capitals. Again leave a line and then write the heading which we will get from the question itself, and it is donation for flood affected areas. Leave a line and on the left hand side in the next line, start writing the current date. Here we have taken 6th June 2020. Starting with the content, first we will mention the reason or the situation of Gujarat. So here we are starting. The state has been a victim of heavy rains and there have been severe floods in many parts. See, here we are mentioning the details that the state has been a victim of heavy rains. There were heavy rains and severe flood also occurred in many parts. The principal has requested all the students to generously donate for the needy in the form of grains, clothes, and money. All the donations must be handed over to the class teachers. Here we are informing the students that they can donate in the form of grains, clothes, and money, and it is a request from the principal. And the donations must be handed over to the class teachers of the respective classes. Now with this we finish content writing. Now After leaving a line, we will write XYZ, then the designation, that is head boy or head girl, accordingly. With this, we finish all our examples. I hope you have understood notice writing. It's time for worksheet now. Let's see what are the questions, and you are supposed to do all these questions in your composition notebook. The first question is, your school is going to organize an inter-school singing competition. Write a notice as cultural committee in charge in about 50 words, inviting the names of the students who want to participate in it. Second question is, you are a student. Yesterday during your lunch break, you misplaced or lost your English notes, that is your English CW or notebook. You want to get them back? Write a notice in about 50 words for the same to be displayed on the school notice board. Now the third one is, your school is planning visit to an old age. Write a notice as the head boy or head girl informing the students to give the names who would like to visit and contribute willingly for the same. Next is, your school has arranged a tour to Rajasthan for 5 days. Write a notice for the school notice board giving the details about the same. Last question is, you are the head boy of your school. Your principal has asked you to put a notice on the school notice board informing all the class prefects to assemble in the school auditorium to discuss ways to improve discipline in the school. Write the notice in about 50 words. Children, I hope everything is clear with notice writing now. We will start with new topic in our next video. Thank you all.